Let's finish this exam review with questions 9 and 10. Question 9. Line V is perpendicular to line W. So that tells me the relationship between the slopes. They don't have the same slope. We'll figure out one slope and then we will change it in a certain way to get the other slope. And the equation of W is 9x minus 3y equals negative 9. If V passes through the point 3, negative 2, write an equation for V. So this is going to be V in slope-intercept form. So be y equals mx plus b. We got to figure out what that's going to be. That's for V. Then graph and label V and W below. So we're going to need V and W, solving them for Y. So let's solve W for Y. So I'm going to add 3y to both sides and add 9 to both sides. So that looks like 3y equals, because we added it to both sides, now positive, 9x plus 9. That's adding 9. Now divide both sides by 3. Make sure we divide both of these terms. And for W, I'm going to write this down at the bottom. For W, we get 3x, y equals 3x plus 3. I'm going to graph that now while I'm thinking about it. So y-intercept of 3, so we'll go to the y-axis at y equals 3. And then slope of positive 3. So that's up 3, right 1. Do it one more time to double check. And because this is linear, we just need 2 points plus the third point to confirm, and then we can use a straight edge. It says to label, so we'll label that W. Now V. Now for V, we need to change the slope. So V is perpendicular to W, and for the slope of W, we got 3. So now the slope of W, what do we need to do? We need to change the sign, so slope will be negative. And we need to take this 3 over 1 and give the reciprocal 1 over 3. This is the opposite reciprocal because it has the opposite sign. So now we have the slope for V. This is y equals negative 1/3 times. And we learned about point slope form, so we know how to put this in point slope form. That says go right 3 and down 2. So this is right and down. So inside the parentheses, to go right, we write x minus 3. And then to go down, we write minus 2. So now we'll go to this coordinate, 3, negative 2. And we'll graph V in orange. So now we have this coordinate, right 3 down 2, and slope of negative 1/3. So that's down 1 as I go right 3. This is V. Okay, problem number 10. Now on problem number 10, I may run out of space. So I'm going to have a separate sheet of paper available. Okay, a triangle is equilateral if all three angles measure 60 degrees.